right, I'm gonna call it right there. I feel good on my pull-ups. Upper body feels really good. The first workout was a 3,000 meter row with a partner. And then you at least had to row like 500 meters each. And while the person is rowing, the other person has to hold kettlebells in their hand. So that was the first workout that I did today. We're on a Fit Aid kick, baby. If you never had Fit Aid before, warning, it's addicting. Your competition day. Got our little name placard. We're gonna be shooting on the DJI Osmo Nano and the Action 5 Pro. How you feeling? Fantastic. Show me your name card real quick. Who do we got? Who do we got here?
Dwayne the Great, Julia, get ready to come to last place.
Oh my God, this guy. I was gonna bring some cookies to have and just be like, I'm sponsored.
I meant to shoot.
I'm sponsored by Katie
some.
Bakes.
I meant to bring cookies.
The cookie queen.
I meant to bring some for you guys.
No, you're good. We still have a ton. How are you feeling?
I'm good. Why don't hold on?
Huh?
Can I see it from? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, we have the talent here.
Okay, so where's lane 1?
Lane 1 is this one right here.
I can't.
Wall ball.
You're literally.
Where's my wall balls? Right here? I got it right next to your ass. Whatever. It's right next to. Oh shit. My left is just
Make sure you hit the target. Also warm up over there.
I will. I just wanted to see what it looked like to be on the main stage.
Yeah. This is the main stage. How are you feeling?
So it's wall balls and then
Snatches.
over here. How do I want to do snatches right here? Or do I want to look at him?
The demo they faced in and it was like, yeah, it was in that one though. So I don't know.
Okay. I would assume because that
And do the
person could
Macarena.
see.
Flip, 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 cross, cross, hips, and woo, bring it around town, Macarena. And reward. That's it.
I'm ready to go. We're about 30 minutes out right now from the first workout. I'm feeling pretty good. This is the most I've gotten loose for a workout in a long time. So I just gotta keep getting these hips open right now. It's a lot of wall balls, 75 wall balls. All right, we're just getting our warm up done. Feeling good, body's feeling loose. I gotta get the glutes ready. Lower back usually blows up in a lot of these workouts. So this is a time where taking care of your body and doing all that maintenance really comes into play. Wish me luck, guys. It's coming up.
How you feel?
My adrenaline is starting to kick in right now. We got the DJI Nano. We're gonna record a POV of me from over here. Oh shit, I'm scared.
All right.
Adrenaline is like wanting to come out. All right, here's my first fit check. We've got Chicago flag, red stars, head to toe.
Let me see the hat.
My Chicago, where's the Chicago?
There. Get on your number.
Huh?
Get on your number.
Gotta be behind the line.
Oh. Look at these besties. How cute.
Left to right, show me what you moving like. Ooh, feeling right, keep it moving side to side. Ooh, roll the dice, oh you wanna try. Ooh, left to right, hey it's time to slide. What you know about this? I woke up like this. Ay, I just did my hammer dance, I'm feeling too legit. Ay, I gave them too much sauce. They tried to wipe it off. I did it on my way out the window. I hear them saying, ooh. La la, oh my, say what? say ooh, la ooh, la ooh, ooh, ooh. La la, oh my, say what? Say ooh, la ooh, la ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, ready to go, up in the way, moving the tide, starting the way. Partying hard, stuck in my waist, pushing the cake, all in your face. Ay, high, high, busting the move like Tide God, hands in the air like high five. Step on the stage, now I got them saying ooh, la la, oh my, say what? Say ooh, la ooh, la la. I think it's time to move. Roll the die, oh you wanna try? Left to right, hey it's time to slide, fly, 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 fly. Hey, one time.
Killing it!
Move, left to right, show me who I hear 'em saying ooh.
I'm a little up.
Hey, can I have your signature after your death? I needed a sign after you died. Woo!
Thank you.
Hey,
We're here.
this is how you started like what they did?
Yeah, the wall ball.
Yeah,
I did good.
that's right.
I finished fast.
Yeah.
I was the first one off of it. I was off for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
And then I was doing my thing, but I had to pace it because I was dying. Feeling.
Feel like
Moving late
$1 million
last
bucks,
night.
but I'm here to see my son here.
That's right.
First competition and I've seen him doing good.
Yep. This is my judge, Connie, right here.
He did great.
Thank you.
He did great.
All right, fit check, or workout number 2. You have to hold it up, that's why. Workout number 2, fit check number 2. We got the neon orange and the green. We're being drippy today. We got purple run club. Let's go.
Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Always on a new thing, yeah.
I can't no more.
Julian, you just needed one more.
You did good, brother.
How many more?
One more.
You did it! Hi!
Okay, I'm done. I think I want to be done now. There's one more, but I think I want to be done. Oh, God. Alright, guys. I'm changing into my third outfit right now. After the second workout, man, my body is just kind of done. This next one is 5 minutes of 3 thrusters and 3 clean and jerks and 3 burpees for 5 minutes straight. So we're going to pain. So we're gonna enter the pain cave, Blackout City. Just wish me luck. Okay. I really do want to cry. My body is shaking. But this is where you find out what you're made of. I truly believe that. And hopefully you guys are feeling inspired, because I feel like I'm putting my body on the line right now for vlogging. Fit aid number 2. These burpees are gonna suck.
Shout out to the real ones. Mama been praying, seeing miracles now. Been hustling, grinding, the kingdom is all that we seeking, is really around. We break off the chains, I pray for all of my dogs to be free. We got it. I pray with my wife and she say time to get it, it's time to go eat. I got it. No selfish ambition, we leaving a legacy. I'm thanking God for the blessings ahead of me. Humble beginnings is evident. Is he a rapper or reverend? Just know that I got the medicine. Just know that I got the evidence.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Yeah, man, this feel too easy. Revival the pack and I work for the kingdom till I stop breathing. No chain on me, no stain on me, no flame on me, I'm safe. No chain on me, no stain on me, no flame on me, I'm safe. No chain on me, no stain on me, no flame on me, I'm safe. No chain on me, no stain on me, no flame on me, I'm saved. Saved. I'm saved. Saved. I'm saved. Yeah.
All right,
How
last
you guys
squat.
feeling?
I'm feeling energized. Don't stop it.
How about you? Tied for
Plan to
second.
win. All right, fit check. I'm calling this one. Me and Katie came up with it. We're calling this one the funeral because it's all black into the night, dark mode. Dark mode.
Dang. So unnecessary.
Should be a crime every time she walks across the room. Like a dream, a movie scene, what's a country boy to do? With those red lips and those blue jeans, my heart skipping a beat. She's that pure kind of authentic, that top shelf kind of thing. She's Southern gold, can't deny the way she moves. Like a Tennessee fight, there she goes, everybody knows. You gotta put her in a love song. She's Southern gold. There she goes, everybody knows. You gotta put her in a love song. She's Southern gold.
There you go. Come on, come on. Go. Come on, last one. Come on. Hey.
You didn't go over the floor, Julian.
Catherine, this is how you properly.
You didn't go over the bar to finish the round.
Tough sport. My little camera.
You're good. How do you feel? You're done. You're done.
What happened? Just put it right there, please.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel fan-fucking-tastic.
Honestly, that was
It's
your
over.
best one. That was your best
I
one.
feel good. It's over. You guys can do anything.